Cafe friends, welcome back to my channel. Virginia here with a new project to share with you. Today I'm going to create a spread in my Cocoa Daisy Traveler's Notebook, and I'm using the awesome South Beach kits. I want to document this photo of myself at home, and as you will see, I decided to stay away from the most beachy and tropical icons in the kits. Because I want to show you that you can adapt the supplies to your needs. I chose to use this spread with this subtle black and white pattern, and now I'm looking for another pattern paper to back my photo and to add color to the page. Since in this month's papers there's no blue that matches my shirt in the photo, I decided to look for a good contrast, a color that would create this sort of contrast. And I think that this beautiful ruby paper or burgundy magenta makes the picture really pop. So I'm cutting a strip of it and I will glue it across the two pages, but not from one edge to the other. As you can see, I'm cutting it shorter. And this is how I'm going to place them. And I cut both the strip of pattern paper and the photo in two parts to glue on each of the two pages, because I don't want them to stay in the way of the fold of my booklet. But before gluing them down, I'm going to figure out how I want to embellish the page. So I'm checking the die cuts included in the kits, and I'm looking for pieces whose colors coordinate well with my palette. So some red, some burgundy, some orange, and light blue. I am also looking for words or phrases that somehow make sense on this spread. Now I'm going to position these arrows and label die cuts that I selected along the external edge of the right page, creating a design perpendicular to that of the pattern paper and the photo. So I have horizontally the paper and the photo, and vertically these die cuts. Once I have decided what I want all these pieces to go, as you can see, I'm going on and taping them down. First the pattern paper, the picture, and then I will go on with the die cut. And you could also see that I stapled the circle die cut, the circular die cut, to the picture and to the pattern paper. I like to add staples, both for the color, because I used colored staples, but mainly for the texture. And here, as you can see, I'm gluing down the die cuts. I decided that I wanted to add some stamping, and here I'm using some stamp sets from my stash to add a couple of phrases and a couple of cute little hearts. For the phrases, and also you will see for the heart, I'm going to use this blue chalk ink, which I love. I really love the Versamark chalk ink. The Versa Magic, sorry. Here are the two hearts. Now I want to add a title on the left page, and I'm going to use a piece of vellum. And I'm going to spell the title using some alpha stamps. These are rubber stamps, which I love. And I'm going to stamp Remember These Days using the same blue ink, the chalk blue ink. And then I will add a couple of hearts in red. As you can see, I'm using the lines on my cutting mat to help me align the letters. Both the hearts and which are repeated in both sides, and the color of the inks, the blue and the red, allow me to tie down the two sides of the spread. That's why I'm going to add a red heart on the right side as well. And now I'm gluing down the vellum, putting some tape only along its short edges, since the shape shows through a bit. And now I'm creating the shadow of the letters with a metallic blue gel pen, and I think this really makes the letter pop against the background. And this finishes up my spread. I'm really loving how it turned out, easy, simple but beautiful, and I hope you liked it too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, and if you are not yet a subscriber, I would love to have you hitting the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!